In this video, I simply want to show you how to enable WPS on this Canon printer TR7120 so you can connect to your Wi-Fi router simply by using the WPS method. So it's very easy. Once you go on the display here, let's press the home button so we start on the same page. You're going to go down and select settings. Then you need to select LAN settings. Select Wi-Fi, go down and select Wi-Fi setup, go down and select WPS push button method. Press OK. It will ask you connect to a wireless router supporting WPS push. Of course, this is what we want to do. And now it will tell you press and hold the WPS on the wireless router, then press OK on the device. So at this point, go on your wireless router. You should find the button on the front. Sometimes it's on the back, and push on it to enable this mode. Then come back over here and press OK. The printer will start searching for every router that has this WPS enabled, and usually it will find yours in less than a minute. So be patient, and at the end you should have a confirmation message on the screen telling you that it has successfully connected to your router, and this is about it. Next, once your printer is connected to your router, let me show you how to be able to print and also how to scan using Wi-Fi and your phone. Next, go on the Google Play Store and download the Canon Print app. It's made by Canon Inc. Once you open the app, usually you have to accept a few term and conditions if it's the first time using it. In my case, I already have another printer connected, so that's why I get directly in the home page. If you're on the home page, to add a new printer, you're going to press the Add Switch button. Then press Register Printer and select the TR7100 series. The app will now add the printer, so just be patient, it takes a few seconds. Press the X button, and now it's added. Every time you want to print, you can simply open the app and select Document Print or Photo Print, depending what you want. I'll select Document Print, Documents, and now we are on the memory of my Android phone, and I have simply to go and find where the document is located. So this is mine, it's a PDF file. Once the document is open, press Next and select if you want to print all the pages of the document or only a few. So for example, if I just want the first page, well, I can select 1 to 1. Press OK. Now press No and press Change Settings. Here you'll be able to change all the settings regarding your print. So the number of copies, the paper size, if you want to print on both sides of the paper or just on one side, if you want in color or black and white, the type of paper you have input. In my case, it's simply US letter size plain paper, so I'll just leave it like this. Go back and press the Print button. Extend the paper output. And here is my result. I will get a green check mark on the phone telling me it has completed the job. Let me show you how to scan. This printer has two different scanners, one top document feeder and one scanner glass. Let me show you how to input the paper in both of them and then how to actually scan. So on the scanner glass, you're going to put your paper facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. Then push the document until the top left corner of the document touches the top left corner of the scanner, just like that, and close the lid. If you're going to use the top document feeder, in that case you need to open this plastic flap. There's two plastic guides that needs to be moved depending what you want to scan. So I want to scan a US letter size. I'll simply push them towards the extremity. Take your document, or hey, you can scan multiple pages. Let me add more. Align, place it with the top part, okay, towards the left side and with the printed side facing up, and insert it in the slot over here of the scanner. You can open it in case you get some paper jammed in the future. Once it's in this position, you're going to go on your phone and select the scan option. Here are a few details of your scan. You can change them. So in what kind of format you want to scan. In my case, I want a PDF, so I'll select PDF. In color, black and white, the size of your page, stuff of this nature. Once you're done, press the scan button and wait. If you choose to scan using the automatic document feeder, each page will be taken one after another. So let's come back once this thing is done. On my phone, I will get file saved and I'll press OK. So it has been saved on my Android smartphone, but if I want to share the result directly, I can press this button and I'll have many different options on how to share. So you have different apps, you may see your contacts over here. Simply tap and it'll share. Additionally, if I press cancel and I press the three dots, I can press close and continue scanning or printing another thing, do whatever you want to do. You know how everything is working now. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if my video was helpful, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.